In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set marketing KPIs and measure performance. So, if you want to know if your marketing is actually working, it starts with setting the right KPIs. So, first, start by identifying your main marketing goal, like increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Next is pick measurable indicators that match your goal. For example, website traffic for awareness, conversion rate for sales, or email open and click rates for email campaigns. Next is set clear targets. Define specific targets like increasing traffic by 20% in 3 months or reaching a 5% email click rate. Inside your MailChimp dashboard, you can head over to Analytics, and here you can actually use analytic tools and marketing dashboards to track your KPIs regularly. Review the data, adjust your strategy, and keep optimizing your marketing results. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!